Okay. Hello guys. So say hello. There's so much distraction in life. So today I'm shooting video after so long. You guys missed me, I know. No, people actually ask me when I upload video.
Okay,
You
okay.
don't trust me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
So today we're gonna do something new. So I got this idea because I was telling my mom about this thing. So this,
thing? Okay, I don't know what is this
Let
thing.
me explain you.
Okay.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले
Okay.
So right now, like Gen Z, I mean, we also belong to.
Sorry, yeah, Gen Z.
Go die there.
I know Gen Z. Someone texted me, sorry. Okay, Gen Z generation, yeah.
So this idea I got because I was talking to my mom on call, and then I was explaining that what all things happen here, like how these kids, everyone. So people around are having different types of relationships, like situationship. I think everyone knows about it. So my mom is really so innocent, and she didn't know about these
I
things
think my
going
mom
on.
too. But I have
think
discussed
everyone-
about these kind of things to my mom. I think our parents, basically our generation's parents, I guess.
Yeah, that's true. That's the last generation of parents. They're innocent, you know.
Yeah.
I suppose.
Kali Yugam, guys. Kali Yugam, you know, effect of Kali Yugam.
Yeah, so that's why I was explaining her, and I told her about situationship, and I gave her a description like this is this, and she was like she was paused for 2 minutes, like, Mom, you okay? And she's like, God, what all is happening? Come back here, don't do like this stuff. And
I also know about situationship a few months back.
Then I went and I started searching about what all terms they have, like, to teach my mom. Then I was like, what? So much terms I read. Then I thought that I should tell her also.
So my mom, if you're watching this is just an information. Okay.
Okay, so first word is ghosting. You know that, yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ghost.
Ghosting. You don't know?
I don't know spelling. Ghosting. Okay, let me guess. I think I seriously don't know. I seriously, God promise, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I think it is something like, you know, something like not like it's like
क्या गोलियां चली तुम लोगों पे अरे नहीं रे वो अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल
What did you do?
I don't know.
Guess no, what? Ghosting.
Ghost, like a ghost, yeah. So the person is like maybe it's about relationships only,
it's
right?
about
So maybe actually they are in love. But then when you're outside, you completely don't know who the person is. Like that person is like a ghost. Like I don't know. He introduced this word to me. I think I'm becoming a ghost. He was like he means like, you know, people are. He's visible, but people like one person specifically was like making him a ghost. He felt he's becoming a ghost. Like as if people are acting in the way he doesn't exist. People are not seeing him like that kind. You know. I mean, I felt myself a lot of times ghost. I try to make myself feel their ghost because if I don't like some people, I just better don't try to talk to them and spend my time with them. That's my basic skill.
so serious, but that's not at all the meaning, you know.
Actually,
So basically, it's a popular dating term where okay, so it means like when people are talking, suppose like online or something, and then suddenly one of them start ghosting, like don't reply, and then they just cut off without telling anything,
what is the reason they won't
and
say?
then yeah, so it's like,
I mean, the opposite partner who got ghosted won't know what is the reason that he ghosted.
yeah, it's like that guy was ghosting me, like that they say. So, crazy
New
terminology she made though. Okay, next. I think this is some bad word. I know. Not bad word. Can you see this? Sounds little.
Let's see, yeah. Let's do that. What is next? I don't know.
Do that.
I can understand it. Cuffing season. People, what? People want warmth in winter. I read it like that.
What was that?
Typically defined as a time of year when single person actively search for short-term romantic partners to spend the colder months. Peaceful relationship. Where are we? Where are we, guys?
So, I hope my mom will be
Bhagwan.
totally traumatized after this. Okay, next.
Okay.
breadcrumbing. What do you think?
You told this to me yesterday,
I was
right?
yeah. I
You
saw
can
reel.
explain me what it is.
Yeah, you tell what it is. What do you think it is? Even I didn't know. I was like, what? Okay.
I don't know.
I can't even guess. You know what nonsense is breadcrumbing? Who made it?
What is this? Breadcrumbing. Maybe the way people hug and excuse you as you
No. In the middle. Don't.
Okay.
अल्लाह माफ करे, बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो, तौबा 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 था।
Guess me now.
What is it?
So I forgot. Wait, I need to open the thing. When someone is sending you flirtatious text, where is it? Messages and showing their admiration and affection on social media, but then in person,
Real life, they won't be like that.
Nah.
There was this
People do
event
that.
in Malayalam. I've seen some reality shows where one guy was like this to a girl, and when they got married, the guy can't talk when she's next to him. Then he'll go to washroom and start texting like, "So, oh, come on, let's talk." Like he was like as normal, but in real life he can't act as how he reacts, how he texts in the mobile phone. It's very bad, yeah.
so crazy.
So bad. That's breadcrumbing. Okay, it has a terminology, guys. Medical terminology plus the right
Yeah.
terminology.
Situationship,
So yeah,
everyone knows
in
now.
that situationship there, the person who were in situationship told me, and I was like acting as if, oh okay, as if I understood everything. I dealt in that manner. Then I left that word. I thought it's just they said it that word. I mean, they made up that word. I thought, but then later
Even
on-
I thought they made that word.
See,
Then
but
I was like,
later on, I was
what?
going through situationship a lot every day. Then I realized that that's an existing word. Like when I think when I discussed
We
with you,
discussed,
you were
yeah,
like,
it's actually a
it's
term.
actually something that it.
So we know about this red flag, green flag. Yeah, that is so hyped nowadays. There is something called a
Red flag is like good sign. Green, no, red flag is like bad signs. Green flag is like good signs. You can go on.
okay. So now there is something called as a pink flag.
It's like in between. Flag should be yellow, right? Okay. But
There
like,
should be some. It's
What is
like
pink?
mixture of red and green. Yeah, it's like that.
mixture of red and green.
I mean,
You
I
say,
mean,
I'm not sure. There are red flags and some green flags, so it's a pink flag like that. Yeah.
next is benching. Even I don't know this.
I don't-
Benching.
What is that?
So it's similar to breadcrumbing. What was breadcrumbing?
That person can't speak in
Oh,
real
yeah,
life,
okay,
but
okay.
drumming, cuffing, love bombing. Very
We
good.
are on benching.
But it doesn't matter, yeah?
Explain that.
Some genders consider this to be very similar to the breadcrumbing, but benching is slightly different. This dating phrase refers to when someone keeps you on the bench while they test out the waters with other potential dating opportunities.
What?
Water?
What's that? Okay.
Ayyo, I think it's bad. I don't know. Love bombing.
You do this.
Love bombing. What do you think, Prash?
Too much love? I think so. Yeah.
I can't understand anything. If there's one thing you look out for if you are dating currently, it's love bombing. Classified as a controlling and manipulative tactic used by narcissist people. Love bombing consists of some purposefully
manipulative people, yeah?
Love bombing consists of some purposefully showering you with adoration, affection, hopes of eventually gaining your trust, and then controlling your emotions and actions. The worst love bombers will frequently withhold the rest and restrict the affection that once showed you. A number of psychologists have defined love bombing as an early sign of relative abuse. That's
It's a
it.
bad thing.
Yeah.
I thought it's good.
Next one is simping. Simping. What is simping?
Simp is like dumb, yeah?
You know simp?
They say, no, you are a simp. No, they say in our group,
I don't
in
know.
a dance group, simp guy, something.
Eh.
I think it's a dumb. You are dumb.
Okay. So simping, it's in its original meaning is when a guy acts submissively towards a girl who puts a very little effort into their friendship. It's like how Ross acts around Rachel in
Oh.
Friends before starting dating. Okay. Simping is often associated with being friend-zoned. A guy will do everything for a girl he likes only to be seen as a strictly platonic companion. However, Twitters have incorporated simping to also mean fangirling over public. You understood basically. Kitten fishing. Bro. Catfishing your sister. Essentially, I think this is younger sister. I think bro, your friend's sister. Right. I think I don't know. Essentially, it involves tweaking small details about your appearance of your life to make you appear better on dating apps, as opposed to claiming to be a difficult person entirely. As in catfishing. Examples of this include adjusting your height or age. Like, I mean, I think you are like changing your looks and everything. Like, yeah, you're changing for people to get attracted.
Like catfishing?
Yeah,
Or
so for example, if your height or age you change, or only sharing pictures where you hide your certain features, you may not be that confident with. Okay, men who are bald, for example, wear hats on their head. Yeah, so yeah, so that's the thing. Oh my god. This.
What are things in life? You're also Gen Z, you know? Don't-
Without knowing this, but we are Gen Z, you know.